Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance. Today I am going to share with you a herbal treatment for hemorrhoids. This remedy is not only easy to use but works very effectively. It helps to treat chronic constipation, chronic hemorrhoids, heartburn, gas, fatal acidity, stomach worms and fistula. But friends, avoid foods that triggers causes of constipation and hemorrhoids. Try this remedy and share your opinion with us. Now start the remedy. You will need just 3 ingredients. Take nigella seeds 70 gram, arugula seeds 100 gram, neem plant seeds 100 gram. You can get all the ingredients from online Pansar shop or Indian store. Method: grind all the ingredients and fill large sized capsule. Use 2 capsules with water before every meal. Use it 3 times a day as long as you get cured. Friends, if you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.